If you've walked down the snack aisle of any grocery store in the last 85 years, you've probably either put these in your shopping cart or you have incredible willpower. Any idea as to what I'm talking about? If you guess Twinkies, then you're right. As a matter of fact, every year we consume more than 500 million of these cream-filled treats. And because many of you have asked us if we have a recipe for homemade ones, we whipped one up. The first thing we do is combine a box of cake mix with some egg whites, water, a splash of vanilla, and a little lemon zest. Then give it a good mix. Now, rather than baking these in the traditional oval shape, we're going to bake ours in muffin tins. After these bake and cool, we take an apple core or a paring knife and remove the center of each cupcake. Then we fill each one with a homemade frosting. We finish these off with a bit more frosting, and there you have it, a homemade twist on an American icon. Between the light as can be cupcake and the lick your lips clean frosting, you can't miss. To get the recipe for what we call Twinkie Cupcakes, simply visit our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a surprise in every bite kind of way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Mm.